Hey everyone, I'm Chase, a Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the folding glass windshields from Tusk for the Polaris General. All right, everyone, thanks for checking in with us today. So we want to give you a closer look at this folding glass windshield from Tusk for the Polaris General. If you're after a premium full glass windshield at a great price point that's going to give you the best of both worlds, this is the windshield for you. This is using the same auto glass that you have on your car or your truck windshield, so the clarity is awesome, very durable, very scratch resistant. But the best part about it is that it gives you the best of both worlds. You have it in the up position when you want to block the wind, you want to prevent any debris from possibly flying into the cab. But in those times, and it's warmer conditions, you want to get some airflow going in there. This thing folds down onto the hood super easy. You have these two fastening knobs up at the top. You simply take those out. The windshield folds down onto these mounts that you install onto the hood. It lies completely flat, out of the way, and it stays very secure. So it's really simple to have it either up or down, and that's why we say it just gives you the best of both worlds. Some other great features about it: the frame of this is powder coated steel, so it's super heavy duty. As far as the mounting goes, it's really simple. All the mounting hardware comes included. It uses all factory locations you already have on your side-by-side, so there's no drilling, no modifications required. It will work with the stock roof, or you can see we've got our Tusk aluminum roof on here as well. And another great feature about this windshield is that even in the up position, if you still want to get some airflow into the cab, there's two vents that are built into it. You have one on each side, so they just rest on this piano hinge. You can operate it from the inside, very simple to do. So you just pop those open, and they actually do get quite a bit of airflow into the cab. It's really nice to have that. You can also see down here, it will work with our Tusk pivoting mirror as well. And overall, just a rock solid windshield. As far as these mounts on the hood, with these, you do drill into the hood to get these mounted up. It's very simple to do. They come with instructions, they come with a template. It doesn't take very long to do, but the overall install process for this windshield is actually really simple. The last thing I do want to show you is you will notice that up here at the top, we do have a wiper blade installed. I recommend a wiper blade with any full windshield, but what's cool is that they actually put 3 different mount positions for that wiper blade on this windshield. So you could have it just on the driver's side, you could have one on the passenger side, you could have one on each side, or you could do one right smack dab in the middle. That's just gonna be rider preference. I do want to point out that the wiper blade does not come included. You can buy this windshield as a kit that comes with the wiper blade, or you can buy those wiper blades separate, but just keep that in mind when you are picking yours up. But overall, install is easy, gives you the best of both worlds. It folds down completely out of the way, and when it is folded down, this thing is rock solid. Don't be afraid to still drive aggressive, have a good time when it's down, because this thing is not going anywhere. If you have questions or comments, we want to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. And to pick one up, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Remember, orders over $75 ship free, and these are machine specific. So when you're picking these up, make sure to enter the year, make, and model, and that will ensure that you do get the proper fitment. And if you like this product spotlight, you want to see more just like it, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel and stay up to date. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.